Hi, this is Richard Close, developer of the four-stroke engine, and this is a quick run-through of how we use the ADDIE process. Four strokes is very simply is intake, compression, power stroke, and exhaust. And similar metaphor is ADDIE, which is analysis, design, development, and implement. All of these things are woven together with evaluation and revising material, just the same way timing works on an engine. First piece would be analysis. Here we had to take a look at the information that was available to us, animated GIFs, all sorts of information on how four strokes work, but also information on how it diagnose problems, and most importantly is placing this in a context of what it means to become a mechanic. And here the Miss Bartle team gave us a ton of information. Now we have to move into design. We used rapid prototyping with the teacher Timothy Sykes as a consultant. We modularized out using Glyphy all of the steps that we needed to do. Then we wireframed it as to the elements that would go into the pages, navigation, and then a branding program that had dragster noises, auga horns, fast-moving hydroplanes, and all sorts of stuff. That would be fun. Now when we go into development, we have to start shooting things. We used to create a culture of what it is to mechanic, the material from the Miss Bartle team, and then to create relevance, we filmed using the teacher's iPad. Every part has a story. This is how to troubleshoot parts, and it's all filmed within the shop itself. And then next, we wanted to develop a context of what it would be like out in the workforce. We use puzzles and interactives. So as people answered questions and engines had problems, they could answer them to customers. Finally, we had to implement this. This involved prototyping again, where all of these different elements that we created, the videos, the tracks, were all demonstrated up on the whiteboard so we get reactions from the class on it, which were pretty exciting and powerful. They thought it was cool. Then we placed everything on Schoology. Schoology gave us a little more structure than Emoto, where it was all modularized with tests so we could evaluate students' results. And that's basically how we put the whole program together using the ADDIE model. My name is Richard Close, and thank you for viewing this. Oh, one more thing. How did it work? Students basically loved it. We have high marks on evaluators, colleagues that looked at it. There was very little tension taking it. People thought it was of value, and those were the ending results of this particular course.